Selamat malam, doktor. My name is Colin Joshua Majang, 827-525. Our topic today is human resource management during crisis, uh, uh, during crisis pandemic. Human resource management on a crisis and a pandemic. Human resource play critical role on supporting the company to achieve a goal by become strategic when it become to hiring new employer, assess position and job responsibility, recreation, bonus and hire to professional and fair principles. During crisis pandemic, it is important for a company or organization to find a strategy to re-management in the HR team to allow the company or the organization to survive and recover from the loss that they loss that they had. Well organized HR will optimize employer work even after being hit by any discrepancies and ensure that all individuals improve to their good performance and their values stability to their employer. They will also bear the risk of loss because they have an HR team that has been implement work standard with the technician to deal with the with if employer if not fit in the property. Challenging to HRM during the pandemic crisis. HRM manager cope with radical change in the social environment, adjusting working condition, work remotely, finding alternative workspace, burning the line between the work and the family with a parent, demand a crisis, HRM to retrain employers and at the same time avoiding dismiss of employer, lack of crisis management skill and knowledge and lack of knowledge in a technology. Implication of COVID-19 in HRM. The implementation of the lockdown, both directly and indirectly, has resulted in a company laying off employers, reduce productivity, production capacity, halting and close factory to lay off employer because of lack of demand and income. Definitely, accurate in the adjusting the new current employers as well coping with this distractedly retreat to work condition with improved changing to remote work environment or implementing new understandable workplace policy and reduce into the maintained social distress with one of way of preventing coronavirus. Due to this, distant health order and business closing, even those who may be able to adjust to the remote working condition are now faced with their unquestioned challenges due to the inability to find alternative workplace. Example, cafe and library outside the home. This may further limit the segmentation between work and personal environment, which cause great differently in the releasing from the demand of the work. As a remove working from the home initiative, HRM must cope with the stress with the employer with the removable boundary between the work and the family. In addition to the increase the space work with the private life, the cost of the school and public service has increased parents' demand of the employer, further blurring in the line between the work and family environment. While this work family incorrect incorrectly appear to be a very demands of employer with children. Single and children work are not immune to the negative constituent of change working condition as to, they may be at a greater risk of experiencing lonely feeling and cleanliness with negatively regulating affected as a well-being. Crisis management. Crisis management refer to the series of the process through which the organization ensure that the business operation can be sub, sub or resume with the minimum impact on the stakeholder and the well listen learns can be used in improve current pandemic. The main goal of a crisis management of a HRM is to develop to intellectual, emotional, and skill based capacity of the people to perform various type of work that the organization and community susceptibility. Thus, the appeal to be must overlap between the discipline of the crisis management and HRM, yet relationship and relief impact of the research potency have to yet to be explored. Crisis management model. The crisis management model used to be designed and organized crisis management plan must be known in advance and the produced developed must be concerned with this model. Numerous researchers have developed and documented various crisis management models and identified the most effective crisis management produced. This model include the three stages model of a crisis analysis, four-stage model known as a 4R, healthy 1998, and five-stage model and six-stage model. The most common model of crisis management is a three-stage model. Table 1 shows model of the crisis management done by a numerous research. This is a model of crisis management. Number one is a three-stage model of crisis management: pre-crisis, crisis, and post-crisis. Number two is a four-stage model of crisis management: reduction, readiness, response, and recovery. Five-stage model of crisis management, 5R: signal detection, preparation, continuation, damage, limitation, recovery, learning. And six-stage model of crisis management, signal detection, preparation, uh, preparation, business recovery, non fault learning and redaction. According to the Anna-Paulson, crisis management may be subdivided into the three major steps, namely pre-crisis, crisis, and post-crisis. Each of the steps considered significantly important because they all determine how effectively an organization can be deal with the crisis when it occurs. Pre-crisis stage to crisis stage and post-crisis stage. Pre-crisis stage refer to the period before the crisis, where the organization undertakes activity that might identifying postmortem crisis and developing plan and how they can be addressed. Crisis test. The crisis test refer to the period during which the crisis occurs. This is a test present an opportunity for the organization to implement the crisis management plan development in the pre-crisis stage in the order to reduce or eliminate negative impact of the crisis. The last one is the post-crisis stage. The post-crisis stage is the period following the crisis and include recovery action to get the organization back to the original state. HR role in crisis management. Problem solve. HRD as commonly accepted in the process of the problem defining and the problem solving for the purpose of the improvement. To that end, HRD professional must be take a proactive role defining issue the vital that the incurve to a crisis system or make cause crisis even the as a previously discussed with a differently to tool and model provided by HRD research for analyzing performance graph at above individual and organization level. HRD brings us usually to set the preservative of a considering performance issue. Organization employer water meaning maker. HRD who has embarked the methods view to take a critical representative to see the transform peoples and organization to foster long-term search. Swan and Holton 2001 proposed strategy for transforming preparation and action including a determining the posterior alternate consequence of the action strategy. B. Ensuring the organizational member to take a full responsibility for their action, and C. Offering the alternative for action in the form the learning oriental behavior rate and behavior. Chan again. There are two areas that HRD professional can which a big force crisis preparation organization culture and promoting organizational learning. In the crisis management framework, the organizational culture is included as a major conductor is a crisis event because in the preparation share belief that issue has a risk and organizer invulnerable to crisis situation. Uh, Preparation and Cleary 1998. Meanwhile, that a HRD professional may help organization establish effective crisis communication system, build organization crisis knowledge base, develop individual critical thinking and reflection skill, and encourage the double loop learning. Agrees as Scholl 1996 through strategy along learning intervention. Organization designer HRD professional take the role of the organizational designer need to be careful, diagnose and select structure and system of communication, authorize and responsibility that will warrant the attainment of organization goal. Watners 1989. The crisis system model Methof 2005 can be used on full framework for HRD professional when considering the multi-purpose organization factor that may be contribute to a crisis condition. As a well-designed organization structure will be also allow organization to effectively respond to the uncertainty that organization face. Simon, 1965. Human capital developer. One of the fundamental role of the HRD as a school community common rail agree to develop a human resource through training and development activity. In the crisis environment, it is a paramount that organization build a knowledge base on the crisis and capacity of coping with it. To this end, training can be effective to the reduce, if not eliminate, the impact of the element that they likely to induce reduce crisis as a technology complexity and a human factor. Training tool can be applied at a very stage of the crisis management, produced from the signal detection to the resign to help organization members learn systematically about the nature and cause of the crisis, even and become capable of dealing with the crisis when the occur. Solution of a challenging of HRM during a crisis pandemic. HRM organized structure that stability height capacity under treatment. Yo Young and Hollande 20130 and HRD introduced the necessary to step to ensure the safety well-being the employer which include the focus on the facility health as well as emotional and mental. HRD should be helped all workforce and present by building mental healthy program offering around the clock support of to those who need uh, Hemonshi 2020 open, open, openly presented the cross value the organization as well forcing the listening and consider every in the organization. HRD offer the flexibility works arrangement by introduce flexible hours, flexible time, or place will be help employers improve their work-life balance. Shama and Jen, 2010. Support designing organization structure to role to improve the operation efficiently. Survey and certification on the employer engagement. Adoption a new culture and organization as a more flexibility work arrangement. Reference. The this is the reference. Doctor, this is my presentation for today. Thank you, Doctor.